Hey, so I wanted to share with you guys today how to send a message to all students in Canvas. There's two ways you can do this. One is just a general message, or my new personal favorite is if students did not turn an assignment in. So the first thing you want to do is if you want to do for missing assignment, come to grades. You're going to look for the assignment that all students, maybe one that students missed. Let's just say week 3 vocab for this instance. When you hover over it, you should get the 3 vertical dots. And then you want to message students who. All right, so because I'm in the specific course, it'll select all students who have not submitted that assignment. You can drop down, you can choose something different if you would like. If you want to do a quiz retake for anybody who got less than a certain grade, it's up to you. But what I have been doing is haven't submitted yet. You then want to type in your message, whatever it may be. It may seem trivial, but usually I put the assignment right in there as well so kids can just click it and get it done. I know that a lot of students have a hard time finding where the assignments are. So after that, you would hit send message and it would go. Okay. Another way, if you just want to send a message to an entire course, like all 130 of your students, you would come into, you can choose between all courses, or you can start with just compose a new message. You're going to select the course that you want. So for me, if I would just want to send one just to my AP students, I think you can only do one at a time. Um, Now, depending who you want to select either students as that, or if you have other teachers that are involved, whether it be, like you both teach 8th grade or 7th grade together, or you want Blanca to see a message, you may choose um, all AP US History Government in that course, or you can choose just students. That's up to you. And then you write your test message here, whatever you want the students to know. Lastly, you want to send an individual message here to each recipient. All right. You would hit send, and that's it. And you'll see them all pop up in your inbox.